Meet the bulbul, a cute little creature that we all love. The average length of a bulbul is 16 centimeters, but many scientists mistakenly believe that their bulbul is longer. There is no greater feeling than holding a bulbul in your hand, caressing it gently and watching it slowly grow. Due to their nomadic lifestyle and their affection for dark and moist places, the bulbuls are exposed to many diseases. Unfortunately, the bulbul population in Israel is at risk. Men, can you imagine your life without the bulbul? And you ladies, can you really be happy without the occasional sighting of a bulbul? We must protect the bulbuls. We must. For more details, go to www.bulbulim.com. Durex, because we must protect the bulbuls.